taskbar and creating desktop icons. I hope you find this useful. So back when Windows 10 first came out, they changed the start menu a bit. So now it includes these tiles over here, which a lot of people don't like. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. It's very easy. All you do is right mouse click and click on Unpin from Start. This doesn't delete any of these things, it just removes them from this tile area. They're still going to be over here in your programs. Skype, I'm not going to use that. We're going to unpin that. Let's say I like the calendar. You can resize it, make it smaller so it's not like in your face. Weather, no thank you. I don't need that on there. Xbox, right mouse click, unpin from start. Solitaire, right mouse click, unpin from start. You can also uninstall. I'm not going to do that for this purposes, but if you just click on uninstall, it'll say, are you sure you want to uninstall? And say yes, and it'll uninstall it from your computer. But just easy just to unpin it. It's not hurting anything. This is a software that I'm using right now, so I'm going to keep that on there. Let's say, oh, never mind, I don't want this. So unpin from start. And if you get rid of all of them actually, then it looks just like a normal menu, which is nice. A lot of people like that. Now you will find that, let's say you wanted to put the calculator on your desktop. If you right mouse click, it doesn't allow you to send it to the desktop. It has these other options, but you can pin it to the taskbar or you can pin it to start, but not to your desktop. The easiest way to do it is just say pin to start, and then now you can drag it to your desktop. And if you want on the taskbar too, you can just drag it down there. Or go this way, right mouse click, and click more, and you could have done it there. Since I already did it, you can unpin it now. Let's do that. So it's not there anymore. Now we'll put it back. More, pin to taskbar. Now we've got the calculator down there. So that's kind of cool. Now you can do this with any program. Let's see, let's just go down here. Let's say we use this video editor. We're going to pin it to start. Then we can drag it up here. Now we don't need it in the tiles anymore, unless you want it, but right mouse click, unpin. Right mouse click, unpin. So now we have them on our desktop. Not on the start menu, no tiles. And then you have this down here, which is probably what you want. If there's anything down here you don't want, like let's say this mail icon, you want to get rid of it, right mouse click, unpin from taskbar. So that's another thing I just thought about is some people complain that their search box is missing. This box right here. I know I've talked about this in another video, but in case you didn't watch that one. So if this is missing, you just click over here on the black part of the taskbar, or whatever color this is, dark blue. Okay, and you go there and search. And then you might have this little icon instead, but you'd rather have the box. So you right mouse click on the taskbar again, on the blank part, search, and show search box, and that'll bring back your search box. The search box is super useful to search the computer, so it's a good thing to have. So I wanted to talk a little bit about also what's over here on the right side of these little icons. Sometimes you have too many and they aren't all listed here, like especially after you install a bunch of programs, you'll have a lot more icons. So right now I just have a few. But you click this little caret and it shows you what all of them are, so you can have access to all of them. And they have options. You can right mouse click and do whatever. So if someone says, oh, look on your taskbar over on the far right, and for the gold shield, you're like, oh, all I have is this. Just click on this little arrow. This is the date and time right here. This is notifications. If you have any notifications, they'll be listed here. You could clear them. If I had some here, then they'll right down here it'll say clear all notifications. So if you don't care about them, just do that. This right here is called nightlight. What it does is it removes some of the blue light from the monitor, so it makes it easier on your eyes. At night it's really a good good thing to do this because the blue light, they've proven, has made it hard for people to fall asleep, and there's other health issues. So anyways, that's where night light is. It's over here in the notification. You won't need most everything else. This is something you might run into. So this is tablet mode. So if you accidentally get into tablet mode, it looks different. You'll notice it looks strange. And so you just go over here to your notifications and turn that off, and then it'll go back to normal. One other really cool thing is, since you stuck all the way through to the end of the video, if you slide all the way over here to the right, it's a little hidden button, and it just clears your desktop. So if you had a bunch of windows on there, they would go away. You can bring them back. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let's just have a bunch of windows open. Okay, so we got Chrome, we got that. Okay, so now we'll go down here to this, click it, they go away. Click it again, they come back. So anyway, it's just a little hidden button. So anyways, I hope this was helpful for you, and hope you can use some of these things. If you like the video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me again, and I'll see you again next time.